It is now day 3 on the Puerto Rico trip. Today we are going to be going to a soup kitchen and helping to serve some food to the people and help with cleaning up and everything. So I'm really excited to really get into the real aspect of this trip, which is the service aspect. So stay tuned for more. Bye. Centro Apoyo Mutuo Las Carolinas. Okay, so we are here today in Caguas, and I was wondering if you could tell us your name and where you're from.
My name is Giovanni Roberto. I'm from here, from Caguas.
Can you tell us a little bit about your project here in Caguas and some of the important things that you do?
Okay, so after the Hurricane Maria, we started a project called Mutual Aid Center. We started actually like 15 minutes from here in our project. We started like helping people in need after the hurricane, around mainly food issues and health issues, but with a political perspective of doing something permanent, because we still know that the crisis is going to increase. Not only because of the disaster of the hurricane, but especially because of the social disaster that always come after a natural disaster. So we're dealing with a lot of necessity and also with organizing people for like this new society that we need. So basically, that's the idea of helping people in need, but actually asking them to do something. That's why we use mutual aid, and not only just aid or whatever, because we want people to be engaged in the solution. We don't want to do charity in terms that people receive something. They get accustomed to only receive from other people that have the power and have the resources. We want people to understand that we can make resources happen, we can create those resources, and we can actually help each other in that. You know.
So just tell us your name.
My name is Violeta Muda.
And what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like. My mother and father is cry every day, and I'm going to Orlando and come back because no like. My sister going to my house and clean. So, pero mucho dolor. Okay. Es un impacto bien grande. Ya habíamos pasado George, Hugo, pero más pequeño, pero nada como María. Y eso marcó la vida de todo el mundo, y mucho sufrimiento. No tanto en mi hogar, pero en el mundo, en todo Puerto Rico. Pero gracias a gente como ustedes que vinieron y nos han apoyado, y el CAN espectacular. Y muchas thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Gracias. Good morning. It is day 5. It's Friday. on our Puerto Rico mission trip. Today we are going to be going to the agricultural farm, and we're going to be helping them, you know, just do some farming, cropping, sowing, more stuff that I don't know about right now. But yeah, I got my get up, get up, get up, get up. So stay tuned for more.
And there we sweat, we pray, we sing, we play instruments, and we set an intention just to remember, to remember our past, to remember and embrace it and honor it. And praying with women is a man also. I mean, it's like a balance of the universe, a balance of spirituality that we don't see it too much these days. But before, we used to see more communities, especially in Puerto Rico.
It is day 6, and we are back at La Ceiba, the agricultural farm. We got done, we were planting some trees. This is La Ceiba, and we planted some trees. I planted an avocado tree. It's really cozy here and peaceful. Love it. Last night in Puerto Rico, where are we? Plaza de San Juan.
A ese gran amor, aún por conocer, compañera, que al final pueda darme un buen hogar, como lo he deseado. Hoy presiento que el encuentro será querer. Cuando un amor se va de tu vida.
I love this. This is awesome. She collects mugs. Wow. Awesome.